Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my BOXYCHARM base box for December of 2020. I'm so excited. I don't know what's coming in here because I was going to get the Boxy Luxe for this month, but I decided from seeing some of the things that were in there and the choices, I just wasn't interested in paying $50 for the Luxe this month. So hopefully the base box is pretty good. So if you guys are into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I can't find my knife, so we're gonna do scissors today. It's been a while. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. So glitz and glam, I have number 44. Let's see what we got. Okay, not a terrible box, not a terrible box. Let's talk about this eyeshadow palette really quick. What is this? Caliente from Artist Couture. The sticker's a little crooked. I'm just kidding. Who cares about the sticker being crooked? Okay, well, this palette looks really, really pretty. Let's just assume this is going to look like Hot Cheetos. No, but it's actually really, really pretty. It looks like it's going to be a very, very vibrant palette. I don't know if it's something that I'm going to personally want to keep. So yeah, we'll think on that one. But it does retail for $30 and it is beautiful. And I actually really like the shape of this palette too. Like slim and sleek, which is what I'm trying to be in 2021. Anyways. Next up, we have something from Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. So this is an eyeshadow primer, which I'm beyond ecstatic to have because of the fact that the last eyeshadow primer that I have received and used came in a BOXYCHARM box, and it's my favorite primer. So I want to try another one, and this one definitely feels like it's gonna have some grip to it for sure. So yeah, pretty excited to try this out. Like, it has this sticky grip, and shadows, pigments will stick so good to this. So this retails for $15. Okay, so this next product is actually exciting, but also a little disappointing. So this is the Ofra Cosmetics Banana Powder. Now, this is a phenomenal product, and I cannot wait to try this out and play with it and add it to my collection of all my other Ofra products, which is a lot. But this has a retail value of $35, but this has been on sale for like really, really cheap. Maybe it's not this one, maybe it's their like refill powder, but I know that they have the banana powder for like $8 or something on sale, but it might be the refill and not the full package. But either way, I'm so excited to have this, and it's supposed to really brighten up your skin. So we shall see, we shall see. We will try this out. Yeah, excited. Next up, we have a MAC lipstick here to add to all the other collection of MAC lipsticks that I have, which is a lot. Oh, actually, I think I have 5 MAC lipsticks. I don't own this shade. This is Down to an Art, which looks to be a beautiful brown color, and this retails for $19, which you guys already know MAC is known for having amazing lipsticks. It has a very coconutty scent to them. Yep, and this is a beautiful color. Let's give it a swatcheroonie. Oh yeah, this is one that I can see myself definitely using time and time again. Beautiful shade. We love to see it. And then the last thing in this box is from Elemis. This is a superfood glow priming moisturizer. Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. It has kombucha, ginger, and prebiotic in here. Brightens, nourishes, and hydrates for all skin types. Apply every morning to cleanse skin. A priming moisturizer leaves skin with a dewy, hydrated glow. We love a glow. This retails for $49. Here's the little bottle that it comes in. This is actually really exciting. I wonder what it smells like. Ooh. definitely pretty cold. Whew. But that's just because I got it out of my mailbox like a few seconds ago. Ooh, it smells really, really good. And look at that glow. Like, that is going to be beautiful. And it smells really, really good. Like, I'm excited about this for sure. Honestly, now I kind of want to swatch that Artist Couture palette because now that I'm like sitting here thinking about it, I kind of want to play with it. So I think I'm going to. I'm going to wipe this off and I'm going to do some swatches and we're going to see what the deal is with this palette. Okay, so here we go. I don't think I've tried any Artist Couture shades before, so maybe I'll do like a video on this. I've been really wanting to just sit around and play with eyeshadow again, so maybe that's something that I'll do. Holy pigmentation, if I do say so myself. Okay, work. I think I made a really good decision by saying that I want to keep this palette. Just saying. This is looking really good. Okay, so this is the top row swatched, which it's kind of like not showing the true colors, but this is the top row and then this orange shade down here, but these are actually pretty freaking pigmented. Like, if I do say so myself. Here, let me wipe these off and do the other ones, but this looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Like, are they the tones that I would probably ever wear again after probably doing a video? No, but like, you never know when you need a color like this, you know what I mean? Let's do these last 3 shades. Ooh, this one's gorgeous. Let me do another swatch of that. Yeah, I'm feeling this shade right here. That's beautiful. Okay, 2 more. I have a feeling not everybody's gonna like this palette. This is definitely not for people that are just basic neutrals. Like, this is some crazy stuff. Okay, here's the last 3 shades. I don't know why my camera's washing them out so much. They look like muddy and dirty, but they're not. That's insane. I think it's since I adjusted my camera settings a lot more and like whatever after I had that whole 4K fiasco, I feel like it's not picking up colors as good anymore. Maybe that's like my exposure. I don't know. I don't know cameras that well. Anyways, that is everything that I got this month. Let me know what you guys got down below. You know I love to hear it. I'm so excited about all these products. Like, not so much this like as like an everyday palette, but just to have these shades is so nice. And everything else, like, I'm so happy with everything that I got in this box. Like, thrilled. The premium, I said that weird, the premium was actually pretty good too. I was just a little sad that the face palette was a little too dark for my skin tone. Other than that, like, even the premium was really good. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below as always. You know I love to hear them, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!